said what?
Do you have a license?
Yeah, I'm trying to get home though, man. I just caught a flat tire.
Yeah, I get it. I was just gonna check to make sure you're okay, and then you stopped in the middle of the road.
No, you hurt my tire. That's obviously the reason why I stopped.
I don't know why you're getting so defensive. I'm just checking.
Look, don't you see this?
I'm literally checking.
But I have to get home to my baby, man.
I get it. I don't know why you're being so defensive, though. You are. You're jumping down my throat here when all I was doing is just checking up on you.
I'm not jumping down your throat.
I'm in. All right. What's your name? What's your name?
Hold on a second.
What's your name? Hey, man, get off your phone. If you give me your name, date of birth, we'll get you going out of here, okay?
Because of my tire, that's why you're going to check my plates?
Well, your plate's not coming back to anything. Hey!
I caught a flat tire, so you're going to ask for my license because I caught a flat tire. I just left work.
I gotcha.
I'm getting a hard
If you just give us your name, date of birth, we can attach you to this because I'm out with you. As long as you come back clean, we'll let you go. I don't get what the problem is.
When you have your four-ways on, that's your hazard lights.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Okay,
but you stopped in the middle of the road.
I did not stop in the middle of the road.
You stopped right here.
Yes, because I had my hazards on. You're allowed to stop if you got your hazards on.
And I'm allowed to stop to make sure you're okay.
Yes, I'm okay. My tire went
What's your name and date of birth, buddy?
Hello?
Taking my for obstruction.
The police just stopped me. My tire went flat, and now they ask me what my license is.
Yeah, the plate doesn't come back to anything.
I don't understand why they're giving me a hard time.
You're giving me a hard time.
I did not jump down your throat, and you got me on cam. I did not jump down your throat.
You did. I just asked your name and date of birth, buddy. That's all I wanted.
The only thing I said was I'm trying to get home to my baby.
I can't hear her, so I don't know.
She said I'm a Morris national.
Even when she soon shows up to argue with officers in person.
Tell him.
Okay, we'll just tow your vehicle.
You just gonna tow my vehicle? Yeah. Sorry, they just said they're gonna tow my vehicle. Really?
It's got a flat tire. You can't be driving it. The plates don't come back to anything. How about you just give me your name and date of birth?
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
Officers in Galley, badge number 8070.
What's your status?
Keep your hands out of your pockets.
Oh, my hands ain't in my pockets. What's your status?
What do you mean status?
You said
status. What's your nationality? You don't have one.
What are you talking?
We're not making a nationality thing about it.
What nationality, man? I'm with the police department.
We are nationalists, Morris American. You know what that means? I'm not in no jurisdiction.
You're in our jurisdiction.
You're not in your jurisdiction. You are a friend of
56 in my head.
It's fit and it's Fourth Amendment rights.
Do I have to have you come up here?
Her coming out here is not going to do anything, man.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Your plates don't come back to anything. You're driving down here with a flat tire. You got a light out.
Okay, that's not my fault that I caught a flat tire, man. Like I wanted to catch a flat tire. I didn't want to do this. Man.
Just tell me who you are.
Well, then give me your information and you go home to your son. Okay, is she an attorney?
Is she what? Is she an attorney? Yes, she is.
What's her bar number?
Sorry, they said what's your bar number. When you are more national American, you don't need that.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't need a bar number.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
In order to be an attorney in the United States, yes, you do. Yes, you do.
I just had her represent me for a case. No, you didn't.
Go tell her to get ready for another case.
They said to tell you to get ready for another case. What's your badge number?
Real 63.
Charlie, write it down. Real 63. The hazards means if somebody's falling behind me.
The hazards don't mean that I can't stop you, okay?
Okay. Well,
the hazards mean I can still jump out with you, buddy. It's
you hurt my tire, so
yeah, that's why I'm making sure everything's okay. Making sure your car is able to be driven. How come your plates don't come back to anything?
Do I know?
How come your plates don't come back to anything?
They should.
They don't. I ran them twice. But I need to know who you are. You're about to be under arrest. Just tell me who you are.
So they said they about to arrest me. Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to cause no issue.
Yeah, what's going on?
I just told the officer here, I'm trying to get here to my son. Huh? Is your sergeant?
Comes back to nothing.
Yeah. All right. It's the last chance. Either give your ID or you're going to go to jail or you identify yourself, okay? So, your choice.
Look, man, we just want your identity. We just want
it's no big deal.
Hello? Okay, so now they said they're going to take me to jail.
Just identify yourself.
Because I didn't identify myself, that's why.
And you're driving a motor vehicle.
No, sir, I'm traveling.
Hook 'em.
All right. Hands on your back, buddy.
All right, so now they're booking me.
I don't know why you made this difficult. Do you not have a driver's license? Is that the issue?
You got warrants?
No, sir, I don't think I do. I was just trying to get home to my son. That's all you had to do is get your information.
Is this you or you Ben?
That's what it says here.
Was this all worth it?
Huh?
Is this worth it? It didn't have to go this way.
I don't know why you didn't identify yourself. That's all we needed from you.
In the car.
All right.
Listen, this is your last chance. You can either identify yourself now, and we can just go with what's going on with this vehicle, or you can go to jail for obstruction and failure to identify yourself. So it's your choice what you want to do right now.
I'm just trying to get home to my son, man.
Okay, so you got a driver's license? It's not a big deal if you don't have a driver's license. Do you not have one?
My driver's license is at the house. All I'm just trying to do is get home.
Do you have a valid license?
I don't know if it's valid, but I have.
Are you willing to give your social security number?
I don't have my social security number on me, but I do.
You don't know it?
No, not by heart.
All right, what's your name and date of birth? Do you know that?
Cox was contacted. They'll be en route and vehicle will be attached.
Okay, what's your date of birth so we can look you up?
He's not gonna apply suspension.
Attached to the RP.
Is that why you want to identify yourself?
I didn't think I was suspended.
Have a seat in the car. Go and have a seat.
Yeah, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, we explained to you a million times.
I am claustrophobic.
You know you also have a warrant out of Erie County, right? What's your warrant for out of Erie County?
What do you mean warrant for out of Erie County?
You have a warrant out of Erie County, so what's it for? Do you know?
I have no warrant out of Erie County.
Okay, well, they'll come pick you up when you get out of jail, okay?
Later, after the suspect is booked in at the jail, his lawyer shows up.
I was on the phone. I was the one on the phone.
Okay.
I heard everything that went on.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out, you guys got him as obstructing and failure to identify.
That's correct.
Yeah, his Fifth Amendment right, he does not have to identify. And then, did you guys have a Fourth Amendment sworn warrant to search and seize him and his vehicle?
The vehicle was towed because it did not have valid plates, and it was obstructing the roadway with a flat tire.
What actual crime was committed?
Originally, I was just checking on him due to the fact that he had a flat tire. He stopped in the middle of the roadway. So
Yeah,
he was.
had on his hazards too.
Yeah, but he was obstructing the road.
But when I told you, I referred to you on the phone that he was a more national, you guys disregarded it.
He still has to follow the laws of the state of Ohio.
Okay, let me read this to you real quick. So he was traveling for one, and I would just like to know, what is the crime for? The crime that you're putting it as is for obstructing the roadway and failure to identify. As I told you,
he was obstructing the roadway with his vehicle. The plates did not come back to the vehicle, so that's fictitious plates.
I wouldn't say they were fictitious.
They did not come back to the vehicle, which under the law means they are fictitious. So what made you
stop to even bother him?
I was stopping to check on him originally.
I mean, you were stopping to check, but then as soon as you stopped to check,
I ran the plates because
you ran the plates beforehand or after.
Right before I got out of the vehicle, I ran the plates.
You ran the plates.
They didn't come back to anything. I ran them again through my dispatcher when I was up there to make sure that I didn't just mess it up. So verifying that.
So you ran the plates beforehand, and then you ran them again.
Because I had to know who I was out with. I'm allowed to run any plate that's on the roadway.
Not
yes.
technically. No, not
yes,
not
technically. It is. It's case law.
Laws. I mean, I have case law in front of me. So I know how to read it off my top of my head as well on the paper. But he was traveling as well, but you obviously didn't even have a crime that existed, and you didn't. Was there an injured party?
No, there doesn't need to be.
You violated his Fourth Amendment right as well as his Fifth. He has a Fifth Amendment right, which I'm sure you're aware of because you took oath to it, right? The Constitution.
Any questions you need about the law, you can speak to You can talk to the attorney.
I don't
once she gets.
Oh no, I'm counsel myself.
No, our attorney.
Yeah, your
yeah.
So, but what I'm saying is,
you can talk to her about that once.
But you did.
I'm going to but I'm going to write the report and then I'm going to give it to her.
How can I speak to her about something that's coming from you?
Because I'm going to write the report. She's going to file the charges, so everything's going to go through her.
So he wasn't taken before a judge before you guys locked him up with this kidnapping, correct?
No, not correct.
So he wasn't. Yeah, it is correct.
Not correct.
You didn't take him before a judge.
No, I took him to jail.
Anytime you arrest someone, they're supposed to go before a judge.
He goes before the judge tomorrow.
And he's tomorrow? That's not
in the
what
morning.
I got from the Huron County.
Unless he bonds out.
No, that's not what I got from him.
Unless he bonds out.
He'll be there from Wednesday to Monday.
Well, he has a warrant out of Erie County as well.
So you didn't see that warrant when you ran his tags?
No, because the tags didn't come back to anything. Once we ran the VIN off the truck, it came back to him.
Who's the other officer?
Officer Real.
Real?
Yeah, he gave you his name over the phone as well.
No, he didn't give me his badge.
Real 63.
Real 63 is what he said.
Real or Real?
Real, R-E-E-L.
R-E-L. Okay, and his badge number is 63?
63.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And we'll see you in court.
Yep, that's cool.
Less than a month later, the suspect is stopped by police for his fictitious plates yet again.
Ben, I got a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant for my arrest?
Yep.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle.
For what?
You didn't show up for court.
I didn't show up for court.
Yeah. Ben, step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle for what?
You got a warrant.
My court date is not until January 18th. What do you mean?
Step out of the vehicle or I'm going to force my way in there and get you out of there.
You mean you're going to force your way in here?
First of all, you're not running this show, Mr. I am.
No, you're not.
You are obstructing.
How are you running the show?
I'm the one that stopped you.
For what? Because I got a warrant?
First of all, these plates are expired to even come back to this vehicle.
Because what?
Those plates on the back of your car does not even come to this vehicle.
What does that have to do with a warrant?
You have a warrant.
For what? And for where?
For the charges that Officer Zagali had.
He's listening.
I can't hear. I'm not going to listen to her nonsense.
Well, you know what? That's up to you if you don't want to listen.
Okay, if you do not go to the vehicle, I'm going to break this window and take you out.
Okay, Sade. So I got it on video. He said he's going to break my window if I don't get out. You break it out, that's on you, bud. Go on and break it out. Go ahead.
I will. I'm waiting till the sergeant gets here.
Go ahead.
And we're going to break
Go
it.
ahead.
What's the problem?
He's not getting out of the vehicle. He said break the window to get him out, so I was waiting for you to get here. Comes back to a Volvo. So the same charges we dealt with in the past, we got him again.
Mr. You need to step out of the car, man, okay?
For what?
Because you have warrants.
Can you show me the paperwork that I have a warrant?
Yes, I will. You have 3 additional warrants.
For what?
For failure to appear. For the fictitious, for the DUS, and what was the other one? Another one.
Yeah, it was 3 of them.
But there's 3 of them. Because apparently you missed the court date.
Plus you're driving under suspension.
And you're currently driving under suspension. Just don't make this any worse than it needs to be, dude.
Well, I'm not trying to make anything worse.
You're being non-compliant, okay?
I'm not being non-compliant.
Well, we're asking you to step out. It's a lawful order. But this is going to escalate, and you're going to catch more charges, which are felony charges.
Do not consent to any power.
She's not even an attorney.
The whole thing is we don't want to bust your window out. I would like you to step out. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to open, and we're going to bust your window out, and we're going to drag you out of there.
He said he's going to give me 5 seconds.
1,
And he's going to bust the window out.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Bust the window out.
Oh, yeah.
Step out, Mr.
Step out of the car. I said step out of the car.
What are you doing?
I'm not even.
Get out of the car now.
I'm getting out.
Get out of the car now.
Now.
Don't reach this. Get out of the car.
She's under arrest.
Get out of the car.
Dude, get off of her, man.
I'm stepping out. Stop and let me go. Now don't do that.
Turn around.
You got me up. And I got it.
Like that.
No, don't you touch me. Don't grab my wrist. Crazy, bro. Think out and you just told him to do that. You know what's
You're under arrest for obstructing.
No, I didn't obstruct shit.
What did she instruct then,
No,
Gail?
I
You
didn't
knew you were under arrest. She showed up in a car to pick you up and get you out of there.
Get him out of here. Put him in the car. That does not make any sense, man.
You knew you had warrants. You barricaded yourself
I did
inside.
not barricade myself.
You locked yourself in there.
Dude, did you see what your officer did to me? That doesn't make any sense.
Sit down.
I can't believe this, man.
You should have just turned yourself in.
Look,
Sit.
hold on.
Sit.
Can you hold on a
No,
second?
I can't. Sit.
These cuffs are tight, man.
Yeah, because you got big
Seriously.
wrists, man. Come on.
Can you undo this a little bit? It's cutting my wrist circulation off, brother. I promise.
Hey, I'll undo them.
please?
When we take you into the jail in there, I'll undo them, okay?
Okay. Are you taking me right away? Because
Yeah.
this cutting my wrist off.
Calm down.
No, you calm down.
All this didn't need to happen tonight.
No, I really
Why
don't
didn't
want
he come
talking.
out?
Why are you even coming to get me? For one, I just picked him up from work. What
You had
you just
warrants.
did
You knew
was
we were out
invalid.
there. You locked the door. in
I
our face.
did not lock the door in your face.
Steve,
My door's always
listen.
locked, bro.
Him.
Off rip, he told me to come pick him up from work. I don't have to lie about shit. I'm counsel. I actually have my card.
Why didn't you just come out? Why'd you get your sister involved in this, man?
Man, look. The stuff that happened to me last week, dude, I was afraid he was going to do something to me. I'm not even lying. I wasn't even bothering nobody. And I was afraid that somebody was going to do something to me, man.
You know you have
All right,
warrants.
hop back in the car, all right?
Get back in the car. You got big wrists. It's just something that happens, all right?
I'm not insubordinate at all. Oh, can you let my window up? Because I don't consent to my car being searched. They don't have permission to search my car.
Okay, get in the car. Shoes, pillows. His sister is more of one, but yeah, they're the Morris Nation or whatever. And they have already sued the judge, both judges up here, the law director, all that, pretty much the whole police department.
Officer Zagali stops a car in Ohio at night unregistered, no plates, flat tire blocking the road. The driver, Ben, claims he's a Moorish national, exempt from U.S. laws. He refuses to give his name or ID, saying, "I don't need a license." On speaker, his sister, a so-called attorney, argues pseudo-legal nonsense about jurisdiction. Zagali warns, "Provide ID or face arrest." Ben cites fake Moorish treaties. Officers find a suspended license and active warrant. They cuff him for obstruction. The car's towed. Ben yells, "This is unlawful," as he's led away. Less than a month later, another stop fictitious plates, same Moorish claims. A failure to appear warrant shows up. Ben locks himself in, advised by his sister, "Don't comply." Officers smash the window, glass flying, and drag him out. He's arrested for non-compliance and driving under suspension. 3 months later, Ben's stopped again. He jumps into his sister's car, dodging questions. She demands, "Show me the warrant." Officers force the door, cuff both for obstruction and fictitious registration. Ben's fake IDs and Moorish flags fail every time. In court, he disrupts with sovereign rants, gets 330 days, mostly suspended, plus probation and fines. Sovereign citizen tactics, rooted in unrecognized pseudo-law, only deepen his trouble.